The kitchen. Cooker. Pot. Microwave. Bowl. Frying pan. Oven mitt. Stove. Toaster. Fork. Fridge. Spoon. Knife. Mixer. Oven. Table knife. Teaspoon. Glass. Tray. Ladle. Blender. Saucepan. Whisk. Mug. Lunch tray. Spatula. Apron. Cutting board. Strainer. Kitchen scale. Cup. Dishwasher. Peeler. Plate. Teapot. Coffee machine. Grater. Kettle. Squeezer. Wok. Measuring cup. Tongs. Pestle. Kitchen sink. Rolling pin. Sieve. If you liked the video, subscribe our YouTube channel.